Hey everybody, welcome to Band Advice TV. I'm coming to you direct from my mobile studio, and today I'm going to talk to you about whether using pop culture references and lexicon is really a good idea in your music. I'm your host, Mark Allen V, and this is Tips, Tricks, Giggles, and Hey everyone. So the reason I'm coming to you from my car is I was just driving around and I heard a song come on the radio by Matt Kearney called Kings and Queens, I believe. I think it came out last year. And in there is a line that goes something to the effect of, all the feels tonight are real. It's like, that's cool. All the feels. I mean, that's definitely a hip term that a lot of the kids and a lot of us wannabe kids are using. But then I started wondering, it's like, what's going to happen when that term isn't cool and hip anymore? I mean, is that just going to kill it for the song? You know, you look back several years ago when Katy Perry came out with This Is How We Do. Once again, that was a cool, hip, trendy pop culture lexicon there. But nobody says it anymore. So that song has kind of already been dated. Because if somebody newer to hear, they definitely think it was old. You know, kind of like, Feeling Groovy. Well, Feeling Groovy is a groovy song. Nobody's singing it anymore. And as my kids would say, it's old people music. Of course, they say that about Billy Idol as well. So that got me thinking, is using pop culture references and lexicon in our music really a good idea? In the case of someone like Katy Perry and Matt Kearney, where you've got this big record label and marketing push behind you, yeah, you could strike while the iron's hot and really ride that pop culture trend. But in the cases of people like us, or it's DIYers and independent labels, we may be working for a year, 2 years trying to get that song to catch on. The last thing you want to do is sit there and waste your time on a song that's already outdated because you use a reference that none of the kids are saying anymore. So it's my opinion that you want to kind of avoid some of those pitfalls when you're writing your music. Try to keep it as timeless as possible and kind of avoid some of the timely jargon, hip references, anything that'll date the song. Because, like I said, while Feeling Groovy is a groovy song, nobody is singing it anymore. So there you go, just a tad bit of advice on keeping it fresh and keeping it real. I'm your host, Mark Allen V, and this has been Tips, Tricks, Giggles, and Stuff. Peace.